Hello friends, in this video I will show how to stop or disable Windows 11 automatically locking itself. So very simple and easy way. Just you have to open settings, click on settings, and here guys you have to click on power and battery. Now here is the option screen and sleep. Click on this drop down, and here you will see some option on battery power. So select never. When plugged in, select never. Similarly on battery power, so select never in these all options. So making this setting, you can stop and disable Windows 11 automatically locking itself. Thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you or not.